everyone, this question is about complex numbers. Solve the equation z squared minus 6iz minus 12 equals 0 in the form x plus iy, real and exact. So we are using the quadratic formula in the MF19. So to use the quadratic formula, we need to identify the a and the b and the c. In this case, the a is just 1, the b is minus 6i, and the c is minus 12. Notice that the I is included. So now we apply the quadratic formula. So b squared minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Just plug in everything. Minus minus becomes plus, and minus times minus is plus. 6 times 6 is 36. I times I squared, and here we have plus 48. So I squared is actually minus 1, so we have minus 36. Minus 36 plus 48 is 12, and 12 root 12, if you use your calculator, you're gonna get 2 root 3. So now we divide by 2, we get 3i plus minus root 3. So that's the final answer. We have the real part first, so plus root 3 or minus root 3 plus 3i. And the next part, wait, there's part B somewhere. Okay, so part B. On a sketch of an Argand diagram with origin O, show points A and B representing the roots. So we have the plus minus root 3i from here. So root 3 plus 3i is this complex number, and minus root 3 plus 3i is this complex number. So this is the diagram. And now find the exact modulus and argument. So to find the modulus is like the hypotenuse. Just use Pythagoras. We know the length is root 3 and this is 3, so just use Pythagoras and we get 2 root 3 for the hypotenuse, which is the modulus. And to find the angle, this angle alpha here, we can just use tangent or sine or cos. So if we're using tangent, we use opposite over adjacent, so we can find the alpha using inverse tangent. So this angle is pi over 3, which means for this complex number here, the modulus is 2 root 3 and the angle is pi over 3 because it's always from the positive real axis. And for the other guy, same modulus because it's symmetrical, but the angle is, so this is pi over 3, which means this is also pi over 3. So to get this angle, we do 180 degrees minus pi over 3, which is 2 pi over 3. Okay, so the modulus, the argument, the modulus, the argument. Cis means cos plus I sine, by the way. So hence show that the triangle is equilateral. So equilateral means all the angles are 60 degrees or all the sides are the same length. So we already know that this is pi over 3, which is 60 degrees. This is also symmetrical, also pi over 3, 60 degrees. And to get this angle, we can just subtract. We have 180 minus 60 minus 60, so this must be 60 degrees. And remember that we have the same length here, so it's supposed to be at least an isosceles triangle because it's the same angle here and the same angle here. Now since this is 60 degrees, the remaining angle must be 120 divided by 2, also 60, also 60, so therefore it's equilateral. So you can just write like this: since OA equals OB and the angle AOB is 60 degrees, therefore it's equilateral, the triangle AOB. Alright, I'll see you again next time.